A 13-year-old girl from a village in Bhoi district was allegedly raped before being killed, police informed. The post-mortem examination conducted at the Nongpor Civil Hospital on the morning of the 10th of October 2025 confirmed the cause of death. The prime suspect, 22-year-old Yaines Khemkharsati, a resident of the same village as the victim, has been arrested and reportedly confessed to the crime. The victim, a student of a lower primary school, had gone missing around noon while returning home. Her body was later discovered in a forested area near her residence, sources said.